Hey guys, so today will be doing a 1 year, I guess almost 1 year update on my Azaria model by Eahora, and I honestly think it still is the best value bike under $1,000 for what you get. It's been riding well, nothing's broken, just a small few quirks here and there. But today I will be showing you two key tips for riding in the snow. As you can see here in beautiful Vancouver, Canada, it's been kind of cold and there is snow on the ground, so you do have to know how to ride in the snow. So the first thing is to pressure down your tires so that you can kind of squeeze it. They need to have some kind of give in order for it to get more traction once you have weight on it, so that it can grip the snow better. And then the second thing is to ride on a low gear so that you have more torque, and you can also pedal easier to start because it's often harder to start on loose traction. So you need to get that high torque in the beginning and try not to use pedal assist 5. Use pedal assist 1 to start so that you don't slip right away. So I will be pedaling to show you. Gonna wear some gloves first. The biggest thing about biking in winter is that your fingers is one of the first things to get frozen. So better have good gloves, that's for sure. So I am on low gear. I'm using gear 3. Pedal assist 1. Start. And this is actually ice. Actually, just put a little bit there because it's pure ice. A little bit slower.